What's up guys? Here we have the new Magic Keyboard for all the iPad Pro series lineup, whatever you want to call it. Here it is. I just got it. I know it's quite late already. It's already May and I just got it. But here it is. I want to get to this unboxing today and try to put it on the new 12.9-inch iPad Pro that was released a month or so back. Alright, so if we turn it around a little bit, we can already peel off the plastic, which is conveniently very easy to do. There we go. One thing that you will almost immediately notice is how heavy it is. It is very heavy, actually. I was expecting it to be much lighter than this, but the box is already heavy. So removing the box, we can see that here it is. This is the keyboard that we are talking about. So let's remove this. And here it is. It is almost like if we were looking at a case, but then there is like a whole keyboard in it. Yeah, there we go. Oh, wow. This is not what I expected. So you have this here. What is this? Oh, this is like your leaflet. So you have all the paperwork in here, and that's pretty much it. So we don't need that. But so here it is. This is the bottom of the keyboard. Now, this you can of course bend. This is the part which you can bend and then close the iPad. So if we put in the iPad, I believe you're gonna put it in like this. Okay, so, okay, it just comes in easily. Oh, wow. This is, wow. And so, of course, this you can angle it depending on how you want to have it, but it's like, wow. You can see that this is like the floating part, which you can change the direction or like the angle you want to have the iPad at. So this is it. And here you have a port, a USB-C port, which you can plug in additional things. And of course, you can still use the cameras because there's a nice little indent in the case. So if you need to take pictures, you can still take the pictures. So this is it. This is interesting. And on top of it, it is so heavy. It is so heavy with the iPad Pro. So this is the good keyboard, not the butterfly keyboard, which was really bad. This is the one you have also on the MacBook Pros, now the 13-inch as well. So this is great. This is, wow, it feels so good. And the touchpad on top of it, this is just, I didn't expect Apple to do this in the near future, but here it is with a great keyboard. And I believe the typing is gonna be so good. And I'm waiting for the Magic Keyboard that you have for the Mac or like whatever you have, that keyboard. I'm waiting for that one. So here it is. This is incredible. I am really excited to have this. So you can close it back up, and it's quite the thick iPad with the cover. If you take the two sides of the cover where there's the keyboard and everything, it is not thin and it is not light. It is quite heavy. So, but of course, this will for many people replace the computer, the basic computer that you have, like a laptop. This would, many people would enjoy this. So, wow, this is just great. Well, if you enjoyed this video, then please leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay notified when I release my next video. Also, if you missed my previous video, then please click the card shown up there. Oh, also follow me over on Twitter for more fun stuff and some more recent updates. Okay, take care, and I'll see you in my next video.